Hey friends, good evening. Welcome to my channel AnkanaaK by Kaushiki. My name is Kaushiki and today I'm going to review an art supply. I bought these pens a couple of months back from Amazon, but I did not do an unboxing. I kept it aside and I just felt like doing it now. As I was not really willing to do it due to the COVID-19 situation all around the world. But then I felt, let me unbox it and try doodling with it, because I actually bought these color pen for doodling, and I wanted to check how the product's quality is. So I am opening it up and let's see how the product is. And I'll draw something to show you the texture, the color, the quality of the pen, the pigmentation. So stay tuned. These are INKONIC pens, set of 24 by ARTEZA. I'm directly going to draw something in my art journal. So stick with me and see how the drawing is turning out to be. I'll mention the list of the colors in the description box and the list of the colors that I'm using for this sketch for your reference. Don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And of course, please share your feedback on this sketch and what you feel, what would be a better option to doodle and draw with these beautiful pens. After one doodle, I would say the pen are very smooth, highly pigmented. The grip is really good. The nib of the pen is very fine. You can actually draw some fine details into your doodle. The colors are really bright and pigmented. They are very smooth, and if you grip the pen for a long time, it doesn't hurt your fingers. I'm personally highly impressed with the color, texture and the quality of these pen, but I'll be doing some more doodling to be sure about it. So stay tuned and keep watching. There will be more videos on these pen and some beautiful doodles I'll make on my sketchbook. That's all for today, friends. Stay tuned for more creative artwork, art tutorial, unboxing and reviews. Take care and stay safe.